Excel's Power Query to unpivot your data for better analysis. Okay guys, let's use Power Query to reshape this table. So what we need to do first is we need to make sure our table data selected, go to the Data tab and then press from Table in Range. So what we're going to do in Power Query is we're going to use the Unpivot button. So we're basically going to change the way that this data is presented. In order to do that, we make sure that the first column is selected. So I've got my category column selected. And then I'm going to right click on here and then it is Unpivot Other Columns. And now you can see that the category is still there, but the dates and the amounts have now been unpivoted. And now it's rather than going along the way, it's now going down the way. I'm just going to tidy up the data quickly here, so I'm going to rename this column, and this is going to be date, and then this is going to be amount. Now you can press close and load, which is up here, close and load. And now it's going to load the unpivoted table of data onto a new tab. You can now analyse your data in a slightly different way in this format. So now with the category like this, you can filter easier. So you can say if you want to have a look at how the IT services are doing. With tables, you can add a total row column on here. So if you want to look at the data a bit more detail, you can see how each of the categories are doing. So just click on marketing, and you can see that the subtotal for marketing is there. So it's another way of analysing. If you want to add a chart by having the data unpivoted, you'll be able to see some insights and trends. So if I select Insert, then Recommended Charts, you can see that Excel provides us some example charts based on the way that the data is presented. So you can see as we go through the months, the amount is presented in a bar chart here. So yeah, it's just different ways of different way of presenting your data and analysing your data, and it's very quick to do with Power Query. Let us know in the comments what you think, and I'll be back with more videos on Power Query.